Hey guys, welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share an important topic to you guys. If you know you are participating in SealSend mining, please pay attention to this video. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, SealSend Airdrop is around the corner and the KYC has started. This KYC is compulsory for everyone that is mining SealSend. It doesn't matter when you started mining. There are those that joined last week. You have to do your KYC. Even those that have been mining since, you have to do your KYC. I made a video on how to explore SealSend wallet extension, how to create wallet on SealSend extension, how to activate your wallet on SealSend extension, and how to send an encrypted message on SealSend extension, and how to decrypt an encrypted message on SealSend extension. In this video, we'll be talking about the SealSend KYC. And after the KYC, we might be submitting our Eyes Open Network wallet soon. Okay, for you to do your KYC, when you log into your app, this dashboard will appear. For those that are using Android, okay, you click on this center button at the bottom. This center button at the bottom. When you click on it, you will receive a prompt to do your KYC. You cannot receive a prompt if your mining session is still green. Okay, your mining session have to change color before you can receive a prompt to do your KYC. So if your mining session is still on, like you still have like 20 hours or 16 hours, you cannot do your KYC until when your mining session is elapsing. Let's say below 12 hours, you will now receive a prompt to do your KYC. Remember, this KYC prompt is in badges. If you have not received yours, just relax, you are going to receive it. So when you click on it, when you click on this center button, click you agree to the terms. Okay, then you click on continue. I confirm that identity I'm using for this authentication will be the only one associated to this account, and this choice cannot be changed later. You click continue. Please remember, you are going to use your face to do your account. Please don't use the same face for two accounts. Okay, if you have secondary account, you can get someone to do the KYC for you. Okay, so you choose your country among the list. You can simply search. So I'll search for Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. I'll select and click on continue. Okay, now these are the rules of the KYC that you must observe. Make sure you have a high quality video, have a good writing, have a clear background, no dark photos, no blurry or foggy video, clean camera rings. Okay, you click on I confirm, click on continue. Now it's going to take you to your browser. For me, it's taking me to my Chrome. Okay guys, this dashboard will come up. Make sure you have a clear background and a good lightning so that your facial KYC will not be rejected. The script is loading, and once the KYC start proper, make sure you are following the instruction on your screen. Make sure you are following the prompt on your screen. They might ask you to raise your head, bend your head, open your mouth, blink your eyes. Please follow those instructions. Don't act on your own. Follow the instructions and your KYC will be successful. I see some people complaining about unsuccessful KYC. Okay guys, after your verification is successful, this dashboard will appear. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your KYC. Your identity is now verified. You click on continue and it will take you back to SealSend app. When you refresh your SealSend app, the verification mark will appear after your name, just as you are seeing Next Academy. You can see the verification mark. Okay, after you have completed this KYC, the next thing is the wallet submission. The wallet submission has not started, but it will start soon. Okay, If you don't know how to create your SealSend wallet, how to activate your SealSend wallet, how to send an encrypted message, please go through my channel. I've made video on how to do that, how to create your send wallet extension, how to create your wallet, how to activate. I made a video on that, and how to bridge ICE from BSC to ICE Open Network. Also, guys, I'll be sharing one ICE to those that want to activate their SealSend wallet. Please go to my S account at Ernest Academy and drop your wallet address. Okay, still have about 277 eyes. Go to my S account at Ernest Academy, or check the profile of this account and join the Telegram community and drop your wallet address. I will send you eyes to activate your SealSend wallet. Okay, this is the SealSend wallet here. SealSend. I'll be sending you one eyes to activate your SealSend wallet. And that is all for now. Soon we'll start the wallet submission. We are going to submit this wallet that is displaying here. Okay, guys, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment, and see you in the next one.